girl. Yeah.
Okay.
Go in your room and go look in your drawer.
What drawer? What drawer?
In your vanity.
Vanity?
With the mirror. What does that say on it?
Hey, loves Daddy? Or Daddy loves Haley?
Yeah. Put the phone down. He can still hear you.
Oh, I want to take your name. What's this?
Look at the front. Look at the front.
Jewelry!
What is it?
A heart necklace!
Yeah, you want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Can you open it? No. Open the heart. Don't tear the chain. Open the heart.
Wait. It's a picture of Daddy and me!
Is it?
I love it.
Well, tell Daddy.
Daddy, I love it.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Happy birthday, Haley.
Happy
Say thank you.
Thank you. I almost said happy birthday to him too.
I know. Do you want to wear it?
Yeah, yeah.